Welcome to Crispy Learning. In this video, I am going to give a broad explanation about what are the medical courses are available after 12th without NEET exam. You know, NEET is one of the largest medical entrance tests in India. Appearing for this test and qualifying for this is not easy. It takes years of preparation and dedicated efforts to clear this examination. There are many aspirants who want to study medical course without NEET. So, I have enlisted certain clinical courses are on high demand nowadays as the competition level. Among that, first one is BSc Nursing. It's a professional course. Duration of this course is 4 years. After graduating from nursing aspirant, you can be a staff nurse, registered nurse, nurse educator, or a medical coder. Next one is BSc Physiotherapy. Physiotherapy aims is to cure illness or injuries. Duration of this course is 4 years and scope of this physiotherapy is endless. You can find job opportunities in various fields like sports, military, education, research and insurance agency. Next one is Veterinary Science, that is BVSC. Duration of this course is 5 years. Veterinary science is the study of prevention, control, diagnosis as well as the treatment of ailments as well as wounds in animals. Apart from the clinical application, BVSC has a very good scope in the field of research and education. Next to that is B.Pharm. You know, pharmacy is a course which imparts knowledge about the production, usage, effects, safety as well as the disposal of drugs. B.Pharm graduate, you can choose to be a pharmacist, lecturer, researcher, salesperson or a counselor. Duration of B.Pharm course is about 4 years. Next to that is BSc Psychology. You know, psychology is the study of mind. Behavior is also a very interesting career option. After completing the bachelor degree, you can opt for a career in education, military, sports or a forensic science. Next to that is forensic science, that is BSc Forensic Science is a 3 years undergraduate program. After completing this program, you can have a good job opportunities in various fields. It's a developing career prospect in India. It deals with the collection, analysis and preservation of the evidence during any investigation. Next to that is biomedical engineering. It deals with the study of interaction of medicines with the technology to understand cause prevention of disease with the help of technology. You can find more job roles in biomedical technician, biomedical engineer or better biochemist. Next one is biochemistry. BSc Biochemistry is a 3-year undergraduate program that offers in-depth knowledge of biology and chemistry. You can find more job roles in various sectors like medical and healthcare, agriculture, science and technology, forensic science, or better you can be a lab technician. Next to that is BSc Microbiology. It's also a 3-year undergraduate program. It deals with the study of microorganisms. Microbiologists are work in research labs, food industries, agriculture. You can find more job roles as microbiologist, bacteriologist, virologist, biochemist. Next to that is BSc Biotechnology. It's also a 3 years undergraduate program. It deals with the combined study of biology as well as technology to develop or to invent products to serve the life of Earth. Biotechnologists are commonly found in research institutes, labs. They are also working in different domains of agriculture, pharmacy, food related industries. Thanks for watching this video. If this information are really helpful, please share to your friends, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.